Some of you might learn faster by looking at pictures than by hearing words. If you're that kind of learner, you might want to stare a bit at this image from one investment firm's research department. You've probably heard the common investment phrase, it's not timing the market, but time in the market. Enjoy the summation of that in this picture. You might have invested and sat in the red or relatively flat for a while, years even. But over time, it can turn green, often deep green. Keep this image as a keepsake, so you can go back to it when your investments splatter red. You can see red in that image as well, but you're going to need the reminder of how much green can show up. As the chart indicates, the holding period, the time in, is what matters significantly. A while back, I did a video that showed that there's a 90% probability to make money in the stock market after 10 years of investing in the S&P 500, and a 100% probability after 20 years in U.S. markets. Check out this fantastic chart. Notice in this chart of U.S. stock market annualized returns from 1872 to 2023, notice how in a year there's an average return of 8.5%. But you can see that the standard deviation is 18.2%. That's because there's a lot of red there on the downside. But even just going out 5 years, you can see how much less red there is. After a 5 year, there's an average of 7.2%. Go out to 10 years, barely any red at all, confirming the statistic that I just gave. And notice how 20-year rolling periods have had 0 red. This indicates the importance of long-term investing. The longer the term, the less the risk. This is why we say that market returns happen over decades and not days. Use these charts, these images to remember that, especially in the dark days of red. Right now, currently at the releasing of this video, markets have been quite green. We know that that'll change at some point. But the long-term investor must keep these charts and these images in his or her mind. They must remember it, especially during the dark red times when there are big drawdowns. For somebody who is in it for the long haul, history has shown that there has been a lot of green. Hey, if you like our content and you've enjoyed our channel, watch a bunch of the other videos. Send it to a friend, like, subscribe, share our content. We'd appreciate it.